Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about some of the drugstore blushes I want to share it across with you guys. So this is like kind of battle of drugstore blushes. So I have picked up about 5 of the blushes which I really like, and I'll be comparing as well as giving my reviews, the kind of texture these blusher has, the longevity of the blushers and everything else. Price wise, I'll put it into the description box because I'm not having the prices right now handy with me, so it will be available in the description box below. So you want to see the kind of prices they have and all, that you can probably check it in the description itself. Also, one thing is like common across all the blushes is like they are under 1000, not even 1000. I think they are under 800, not more than that. So these are like really affordable ones, and the kind of color, texture and everything they have is like something you can wear on a daily basis. So I have some 5 blushes which I'll be showing across, and you want to see what options I have for you, then just keep on watching. So let's start with the first one, and this is by Body Shop. So why I've included Body Shop also in drugstore is like this is something affordable one, so it will not hurt your pocket. And the color is called Guava, okay, and it is called all-in-one cheek color shade. That is how it looks, and this is like the color looks like. So let's just talk about this blusher first. So it is like a really burnt pink kind of color, so you have to go a little careful when you are applying it. So for these kind of colors which are like which your brush just picks up just like that, you have to be careful. So just start using it like little light-handed, and when you feel no, I want little more color, then you can probably go and build it up. But you want to start with very heavy color on your brush, then it will probably just make your cheeks looks like some pink here and pink there. You don't want that. Yeah. So this is the color Guava by Body Shop, and let me show you a swatch of it. So when I swatch it, it does not feel very satiny finish, and this is the color exactly. And on the back of my hand, when I swatch it, that is how it looks. So as you can see, it is really pigmented, so you can probably just blend it out and just start using it on a very light hand, so that you don't have a lot of pink spots on your cheeks. So this is like really blendable, so you can take advantage of that kind of texture quality of this blusher, and you can go really light-handed to start off with. So this is like a really nice pink color which is like very perfect for a day-to-day wear. This is what I'm wearing right now on my cheeks, and I've gone really light-handed, but still I have a little pink hint on my cheeks, and this is what I need. And that is again like under 800 bucks. I don't remember the price right now because these are like something in my stash from a good time, so the prices are not there. But texture wise, this is good. It stays on my cheeks for about 4 to 5 hours, not more than that, because I have little oily skin. So but if you have like dry skin, then these these blushers can stay on your cheeks for even a longer time. Let's move on to the next one, and this is by Bourjois, and this is how it looks. And the color is called Rose Brune, and number 48. Let's just swatch. This is like really sheer. It's really sheer. This is something which I have swatched on my fingers, so you can see this much pigmentation. But if you want to take it on a brush, this is how it looks blended out. So it is again like really sheer. As you saw, I took so much color on my finger. So as you saw, I took a lot of color on my finger, and then also the color, when I just blend it out, it was like really sheer. So you can take advantage of this one. These are like really sheer, and they are like really you know, they have the satin finish, so when I swirl my finger on this one, it feels really smooth and really silky. And I have been using this blusher from quite a long time, and it's like since I have a sensitive skin plus oily, so this has not created any kind of issues till now to my skin, any kind of irritation or redness, nothing like that. I've not faced any such issues with this particular blusher. I really like this one, and this is something my go-to blusher when, you know, I'm in a hurry. I don't have time to, you know, be careful in what I know, how much amount of color I need on my brush, how much amount of color I need to apply on my cheeks. So this is something, a really safe option. You just take your brush, swirl it down and apply on your cheeks. You will never have a lot of color in one single you know, application on your cheeks. So that way, like you are really safe when you are using this kind of blusher. And plus the color is also something which is perfect for your day-to-day wear. You can wear it to your office, to your college, to your work, anywhere. It just gives a nice pink hint to your cheeks. It looks like you have a very healthy skin. So I'll put down each and every blusher details in the description box along with their name, so you want to take a look on, you know, how it exactly it looks and like that. So you can probably take the, you know, use of the descriptions below. Okay, so this was the second one, and let's just move on to the third one, and this is by Color Bar, and this is something my all-time favorite one, and this is called Color Bar 013 Rosy Peach. That is how it looks. It is a very nice coral pink color, and it feels really smooth when I swatch it on my finger. And again, you can see it is very sheer in, you know, texture. And let's just swatch it. So this is the Rosy Peach by Color Bar. So as you saw, this is again the kind of similar color which I showed you by Bourjois and by Body Shop, but the difference is it is little on a coral side. But again, this is like really perfect color for your day-to-day wear, and the texture is really good. I wear it almost on daily basis because this is something which is always there, you know, just which is always lying on my vanity, because this I always reach for this particular blusher. And this is called Rosy Peach. And when you look at the texture, it is silky smooth and stays easily for like 4 to 5 hours, considering I have a very oily skin. So this is like a really good pick for a day-to-day routine, and again something really, you know, suitable to be you know, you can wear it on a daily basis. So this was by Color Bar, and let's move on to the fourth color, and this is by L'Oreal, and it is called L'Oreal Paris True Blush True Match. Okay, and the color I have is called 10 True Rose. Okay, so that is how it looks. So this is again like a peach coral kind of color. So all the colors which I'm showing are like from the same color family, and when I swatch it, as you can see, this is again like, you know, same kind of color. And let me just swatch it. So when I swatch it, it looks like this. So as you can see, the pigmentation is really good, and when I just blend out, then let's see. Yeah, so it gives a little coral kind of hint to your skin tone. Keep in mind that whatever colors I'm showing you, the swatches I'm showing you is like I'm swatching it using my finger. When you take it on a brush, the kind of color that will transfer to your brush will be like little lesser than what is getting transferred on my finger. So you can accordingly take the color on the brush and just apply it on your cheeks. So all these colors which I'm showing you are something, you know, they are same in texture, they are almost same in pigmentation, you know, a little high or low like that in the entire 5 products which I'll be showing it to you. But these are like really perfect and really affordable, and all belong to the same kind of color family. So you want to pick one of the color, you can definitely take a look on all the 5 colors which I'm showing you, and you can, you know, just decide which color goes well with your skin tone. And also the kind of colors I'm showing you are like perfect from fair to the medium to the dark one. but these colors are like really versatile. They just go really nice with all the kind of skin tones. So like the 4 colors, and now we are left with the last one, and this is Bicolor Essence. And I think this is like the most affordable product I'll be showing you in today's collection. This cost about 250 or 300, not more than that. So the color is called, they don't have name, and it is for 250 rupees, and they don't have a name of it, they just have a number. So the number is called SH8. okay, and this is how it looks. So it is a very bright pink, Barbie pink kind of color, as you can see. And let me just swatch it. When I'm swatching it, it's not that silky and smooth, and so this is the bright pink color, Bicolor Essence. And let's just blend it out. As you can see, the pigmentation is like really high, so you have to be a little careful when you are just applying it. Just take a little bit of it and just slowly blend it out, and you can gradually build it up also as per your need. So but when I just swatch it using my finger, it does not feel that smooth in comparative to all the colors which I have shown you till now. So it's like little rough. It's not silky satiny kind of finish it has, but the pigmentation is like really good, and actually it stays more than other colors, surprisingly, even though it is on a little cheaper side. But the longevity of this product is like really good. It stays for like 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours easily on my my skin. So if you are from dry or normal skin, you can consider 1 hour extra on your face. So this was Bicolor Essence. So these were like the 5 products which I wanted to share it across with you. All the 5 colors are like from the same kind of color family, and all the 5 colors are like perfect for your day-to-day routine, and all the 5 are like really affordable options for you. So you want to invest in kind of blushes for your regular routine, regular usage, then you can probably take a look on all the 5 colors which I've shown you in this video, and you can decide upon which color goes well to your skin complexion. So guys, that was all for the day. This was like the 5 drugstore blushers, and really affordable, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you liked it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.